It's been called the largest technology refresh in communications history. There's a huge migration of business communications to the cloud underway. Take a look at the infrastructure that's long been in place, and it's pretty easy to see why. As we've seen media content move to the cloud, you will now see the brains of your phone system move to the cloud. The old setup? Complicated, costly, and convoluted. Traditionally, customers pay one provider for voice, possibly another provider for data and internet, and yet another for long distance. The phone system, or PBX, and its ongoing maintenance agreement come from still another provider. And anytime customers want to move, add on, change, or upgrade, they have to coordinate across multiple vendors and deal with a stack of separate bills and mounting costs for every single request. Troubleshooting issues becomes virtually impossible when providers point fingers at one another while the customer sits helpless. Customers planning on expansion or growth? Multiply that mess by 3 offices or 50, all with their own needs and personnel, and a company expansion flips from success to distress. You have to pinpoint different providers for every new location. You have to purchase different hardware for each office, factor in costly maintenance and constant upgrades, office by office by office. Think about all of the people they'll have to talk to just to implement a single change. And they'll be facing bloated capital expenditures, excess staffing, and potential disruptions down every line. Today, if businesses are dependent on interaction between voice lines, data lines, fax lines, internet connections, and a PBX system, all from multiple service providers, customers will soon find their wires crossed. The solution is clear and simple: Telesphere. Telesphere is the clear leader in nationwide cloud communication services. Of those that are the experts in hosted voice and data services, no other comes close to the size of Telesphere's national network, the back-office systems and portals to provision large multi-location customers, and over 12 years of being in the business to create an unparalleled customer experience. Whether a customer wants all voice services hosted in the cloud and elimination of all PBX and hardware costs, or wants traditional or SIP trunking to an existing PBX or Microsoft Link product, or a hybrid of both across multiple locations, Telesphere has you covered. Achieve clarity and simplicity in business communications, and your focus can be turned to the success of your core business. Businesses need a clear path to the cloud. Telesphere has spent well over a decade trailblazing in business communications, and we're ready to take business communications off the ground and into the cloud. Experience all the benefits of the latest in technology, plus the unparalleled advantage of our private national network. Telesphere is an expert in cloud communications, our only focus. With the largest private MPLS network in the nation, our footprint covers the entire U.S. Coast-to-coast coverage means Telesphere's private cloud can power all of your offices, wherever you work, north, south, east, west, and all points in between. These unmatched features include unified communications as a service, voicemail to email, voicemail to text, web collaboration, speak to dial, contact center, call recording, audio and video conferencing, mobile convergence, presence, SMS, desktop sharing, voice and video calling, all available through any IP devices, whether using an iPad, a mobile smartphone, or a laptop across town. You stay connected. Imagine the ability businesses have to refocus their efforts and money on their core business, not on maintaining their communications. Imagine phones, tablets, mobile devices, and PCs working in harmony with Telesphere. Regardless of the device or location, stay connected with one number. Imagine the infinite possibilities of the cloud to simplify and clarify business communication solutions. Telesphere makes the impossible possible. One provider, One ecosystem of emerging solutions. One choice. Unlimited opportunities. It's the largest technology refresh in communications history, and a clear leader has emerged to take you into the future. Telesphere. Schedule a demonstration today at www.telesphere.com/demo us or call 888-966-7948.